Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to find the archived messages section on the LinkedIn app for PC with the new update. If you've been searching for your older conversations and can't seem to locate them, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step so you can access your archived messages quickly and easily. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu bar, where you'll see several icons. Find the messaging icon, which looks like a small chat bubble. Click on it to open your messages. After clicking, you'll be taken to the main messaging window. This is where you'll see all of your recent conversations. Now, to find the archived section, look to the left-hand side of this messaging page. Here, you'll notice the different message categories that help you organize chats more efficiently. Among these options, you will see Archived. Click on it, and just like that, you'll be able to view the list of conversations you previously archived. These messages remain saved and accessible at any time, so you don't lose track of important information, but still keep your main inbox clean and organized. Archiving messages is useful when you want to declutter without completely deleting old chats. The good thing about this update is how streamlined the process has become. Instead of searching through complicated menus or old tabs, everything is housed neatly within the messaging section itself. If at any point you decide to move a conversation back to your main inbox, simply open the archived chat and unarchive it. This action will instantly move the conversation back to your active messages, right alongside your ongoing conversations. So to recap, open the LinkedIn app on PC, click on the messaging icon at the top, go to the message section, and choose Archived. With this simple process, you can keep your LinkedIn inbox tidy while always knowing where to find your older conversations. That's all it takes to find the archived messages section in the latest LinkedIn update.